I know I look shiny, okay? Please excuse the shininess for this video's purposes. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jessica, or Jess Elegante if you know me on Instagram. I am here doing an unboxing today with my BoxyCharm box. I was in the middle of a completely different video, so excuse the oily skin. That video will be coming up soon. But anyway, I was in the middle of filming this other video, and then I got a ring on my doorbell, and then this happened. So I need to do an unboxing because this is fun. I love doing these. Let me know if you like this and if you want to see more stuff like this. But anyway, this is BoxyCharm. It's a subscription service where you are sent about 5-ish items every month. If you pay the monthly fee, you can pay all at once or you can spread it out. But the regular box is like $25 a month, and they do have options where you can pay it over like 3 months, or sorry, you can pay for like a 3-month subscription or a 6-month subscription where you get a slight discount, but it's still the $25 box. Actually, I was just really excited to get my BoxyCharm this month, so I'm just glad it's here early enough that I could share it with you all and with myself. Now I'm going to be using this stuff. Here we go. Okay, so I'm so excited for this. The theme is stellar. This is cute. Wait, this is gonna, so this paper is gonna tell me everything that's in the box, so I'll look at the box first. Okay. First up, we've got the Becca Foundation swatches. Actually, I think they did a pretty good job. This is pretty close to my skin tone. So they said they're gonna start sending out complexion products this month, and based on your swatches, they want you to fill out a complexion quiz on their website, and if the color matched well or not, you let them know in that quiz, and then in the future when they send you actual complexion stuff, it should be closer to your skin. So if they want to send me foundation or something, that would be nice, but we'll take it one step at a time. There's that. Okay, this is nice. Oh my gosh, box almost fell down. Sorry about that. By the way, for those of you wondering, this is how the box looks on the inside. It's really cute. I heard also that from last month and onwards, they kind of upgraded the boxes to look nicer and for like better service. So this might actually be bigger than how the boxes used to be. But I think it's cute. Okay, so they sent me brushes, 2 brushes. I saw these on the reveal video. I would be kind of hoping I would get them because they look kind of nice. Ooh, this is nice. I think this is a really nice brush. It makes me think of like kabuki brushes. It's soft, it's firm, it's like put together well. I think this would be a really nice foundation brush. They also sent this one. It's a smaller one. I think I'm gonna try this out for contour purposes. These are nice. They're very well packed. They feel heavy. They look good. We'll see how they run. Cute, cute, cute. I'll take it. You know, every month when I get my, I only started a few months, very recently, but whenever I get my BoxyCharm, I feel like everyone already got theirs, and I'm like super bummed. And this week I was watching people's videos and I was like, I didn't get mine yet. But then I saw an email yesterday that's like, you're getting yours tomorrow, and I was like, that's so soon. I'm not the last one. So I was really happy. Oh my gosh. Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. Okay guys, I love Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks. I literally have like tons of these. If you want to see a video where I show you what all of them look like on my skin, like, or I mean on my lips, but with my skin tone, let me know down below in the comments. I would love to do something like that. I love Dose of Colors. But oh my gosh, a new Dose of Colors lipstick. I heard they released 4 shades for BoxyCharm that are not on their website. So I got Nude Mood, Now, normally I'm not a fan of nude lipsticks because I feel like on my skin, they look weird. But we'll see if we can get away with this. Okay, and now I've got the choice item. So every month they do send an email allowing you to pick one item in your box. So they give you a choice between two. And I think the choice for this month was between like an eye cream or like the serum. And I got the serum, and it's big. It's kind of heavy. I'm glad. I thought it was going to be small. 1.59 fluid ounces of the Kypris Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. This is for nourishing your skin, giving you amino acids, hydration. Okay, nice. Like, I have kind of drier skin right now. I don't know if it's because the weather is transitioning, but I could definitely use something to hydrate. So, I'll let you know how that one goes. And next thing from my box, I got these two masks. The morning and evening goggle eye masks. Sorry, let me hold that better. Here's one, and here's two. So it says these are made with metals, algae, pumpkin, hyaluronic acid, cantella. They look like pretty good ingredients and good things for redness and irritated skin. I do have acne prone skin. It does get quite irritated and red. So that sounds kind of nice. I think I would appreciate something like this. So we shall see. And oh my gosh, the thing I've been most excited for. Okay guys, I was super bummed last month because everyone is getting a Dose of Colors palette and I didn't get one, and I was so mad. And I was like, I signed up for BoxyCharm because people were getting Dose of Color palettes and I didn't get one. So when I saw this month that everyone is getting a Celestial Thunder palette, oh my gosh, my mind was blown. My first Kristen Dominique palette from BoxyCharm. Go figure. I wanted to try this formula for ages. And oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Wait, this is so pretty. I didn't think it was going to be this nice. I'm really excited. So this is what the palette looks like. You've got a lot of good shade ranges. There is one teal, a purple. I see this gold shimmer is calling me. I like hot pink. Actually, I love a good pink. And good oranges. This is a good fall palette. You've got all the colors, and I think this is going to transition really well into the holidays. I am really excited for this. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I got this. So yeah, that was my unboxing. Last month I was like, man, I got ripped off. But this month, I'm kind of excited to use all this stuff. Like the lipstick, I will for sure be using this. The palette, I love eyeshadow palettes. I'm always in need of good brushes. I think the skincare stuff is going to take me a little while to give you feedback on. Like, okay, eye masks, these, obviously I can tell you after like a few days. But this stuff, it might take a little while to notice a difference. I don't know, let me know what you got in your box and whether you feel like you got what your money's worth was or not. And how you think the products were. I'm low-key kind of excited to try the foundation because so many people talk about this foundation. Oh my gosh, could you imagine if they sent us like a full bottle of this stuff? Wow, lots of nice stuff this month. I had a lot of fun doing this. That was fun. What do you guys think? Did you like it? Do you think I could improve, add something else? I will be doing a look with all of my BoxyCharm items on my Instagram. If you want to follow me on Instagram, you can follow me at Jess Elegante. And yeah, keep your eye out. I'll try and make a video, but there will definitely be a photo. Alright, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. I am new and trying to grow, so I would love if you would support me by subscribing. Alright, till next time. Bye.